Kumshi benta ka jing isno ketilang mar ka jing dawa ka North Eastern Student Organization nesu da ka pelong ya ka jing khi shong klai mingor hakaleng ginong ba ki jela hakathan chadai lam mingi ka India kata bandawa nak sarkar India banwara ya ka shong suk shong sangan haka jela Manipur ka khasi student union haka no paisi khnai trik nai weng arjar fulai kala pelong ya ka ni ka jing khi khmat umadur shir nyang jong pa tirot sing hamadan yauring hap shalong kumun chukudo ba ka jela Manipur kala sakhi ya ka jing ya kan at snam na ka jing sngo ya pherjai ben ria hop dang ki kuki bat ki meitai nandu ubnai jambang mentau snam kani ka jing khi ya snam kala ne da ki benai bat warai ka jing yap breu ka bashar khai ha ka te jela bat bun ngot kila kala long ki phatwer lai don lang ha ka ni ka jing lang khi do ba samwal jarwa charman ka nesu kinong yalam ka ki isu ba kan thup ba lambok star world marngar president Uba Donald Thaba, Secretary, nalor kinong yalam seng baper bagan thup nadu ka GSU, FTGP, HNYF, GSU, Student Union Shillong, Shillong Socio Cultural Assamese Student, Association Mizo Student Union Shillong, Tipra Student Federation Shillong, Arunachal Student Union Shillong, Mara Student Organization, Batlai Student Association.
I would also like to inform you that the different communities, indigenous communities of Northeast are with the people of Manipur. The suffering, the pain, the agony that the people of Manipur are experiencing, we are also feeling the pressure, the pain that we are feeling. And as indigenous communities, we should stand united as one to convey a message to the central government that both the central and the state government that by simply using brute force, you cannot bring a permanent solution. However, it is very important to bring all the ethnic groups into the negotiating table to sort out this matter, these problems, so that we can find a permanent solution and the people of Manipur can live in peace with one another.